In the old days, a warship's power was measured by the number of its guns. Then came missiles, then stealth. But today, in an era of cyber warfare, drones, and data overload, the deadliest ship is not the one with the biggest cannons. It's the one with the smartest brain. Meet the FDI Frigate, Frégate de Défense et d'Intervention, France's new digital warship, and it has already convinced Greece to buy it over American designs. Even Sweden, a nation with its own world-class shipbuilding industry, is taking a very serious look. Why? Because the FDI isn't just a ship, it's a floating data center. Let's start with the design. Look at that bow. It's inverted, sloping backward like a shark's nose. This isn't for beauty. The inverted bow cuts through waves more efficiently, reduces pitching in rough seas, and gives the ship incredible stability for launching drones and helicopters. It's form-following function at its finest. But the real revolution is inside. The FDI is the first warship in the world with two separate, physically isolated data centers. One on the port side, one on starboard. If a missile hits one side or a cyber attack cripples one server, the other instantly takes over. No loss of combat capability. Zero downtime. In a war where hackers can disable a ship's systems remotely, this redundancy is everything. Then there's the SeaFire 500 radar. Think of it as the ship's digital eye. Unlike traditional rotating radars, SeaFire uses 4 fixed panels that see in all directions simultaneously. It can track hundreds of targets, from supersonic fighter jets to tiny FPV drones skimming the waves. And this is where your previous video about cheap drones becomes relevant. The FDI was built specifically to spot and kill those small, fast-moving threats that older radars miss. It can even guide its Aster 30 missiles to intercept multiple drone swarms at once. So why did Greece choose the FDI over an American frigate? Because the FDI integrates seamlessly with the Aster 30 Block 1NT, a missile designed to defeat ballistic missiles and advanced air threats. Greece needs to protect its islands and its airspace. The FDI gives them a complete digital air defense bubble. And Sweden? Sweden builds excellent ships. But even they recognize that the French digital-first concept is the future. The FDI proves that in modern naval warfare, the ship with the smartest brain, not the biggest gun, will rule the waves.